The Oukitel WP17 smartphone is also because of the very large display not an overly compact smartphone. The dimensions are 176x83x14.9mm with a weight of 320 grams. Glass, plastic and metal are used. The only color available is black. On the front sits the display above, which measures 6.78 inches diagonally and is interrupted by a central punch hole. The display edges are narrow and the corners of the screen are rounded. This does not necessarily fit into the angular design of the case, but it is trendy at the moment. The Oracle sits above the screen. Unfortunately, there is no notification LED. The frame houses a USB-C port and a jack port, which sit under a flap. This is intended to improve the robustness of the housing, as water and dust cannot penetrate the connections. In addition, there is, of course, an on-off switch with an integrated fingerprint sensor, a volume rocker, and even an assignable button. The back is made of glossy plastic and looks surprisingly tidy and elegant for an outdoor smartphone. The individual loudspeaker is located in the lower left corner, above which Oukitel places its logo. The camera element, which includes 3 lenses, 2 LED flashes, and 4 infrared lights for night vision mode, sits higher up. Despite the mentioned rear side, which prefers a chic design with particularly robust materials, the Oukitel WP17 is certified according to IP68, IP69K, and MIL STD 810G. Submerging in water 1.5 meters deep for a maximum of 30 minutes should not damage the outdoor smartphone, nor direct contact with sand and dust. The heart of the Oukitel WP17 is the Helio G95 from MediaTek, which we know from the Ulefone Power Armor 13. Although the chip does not integrate a 5G modem, it offers more than enough power for everyday tasks and mediocre 3D games. The system should run smoothly in almost all situations. By the way, the Oukitel WP17 comes with Android 11. The Oukitel WP17 is also equipped with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Thanks to the triple slot, the memory can also be expanded using a microSD card when 2 SIM cards are parallel. Compared to the monsters from Ulefone, the battery of the Oukitel WP17 is downright small, 8300 mAh compared to 13200 mAh in the Power Armor 13. Oukitel still promises long runtimes. 1000 hours, 41 days, standby and 65 hours, almost 3 days, talk time should be possible with a full charge. Charging is only done by cable and with 18 watts.